Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my garden and my channel. Today I needed to harvest some peppers and I thought I would take you along. This is a poblano. It's starting to change, or ripen rather. Don't see any more poblanos that are ready. So let's move on. Got some jalapenos here. Got some bell peppers that are ready. This is when the garden is getting very jungly. Chop and drop. These two are going to go in compost. Aren't these gypsy peppers gorgeous? My pimento peppers did much better last year. I think I need to fertilize this bed because I believe it can give me more. I planted a few lemon drop peppers on this side just because I ran out of room, or lemon dream, sorry. I almost forgot about them until I saw these bright yellow peppers sticking out. These are the lemon dream. They're pretty tasty, but not the most prolific pepper variety. Now we've got more on here that could be harvested. I think I'll grab a few of those. I'll grab a few and I'll let a few stay to ripen a little bit more. The reason behind it is I just don't need that many right now. And it's not hurting them to stay out here. So with these, I'm going to, these are all sweet peppers. That's not true. I'm sorry. With the hot peppers, I'm going to be making hot sauce. And with the sweet peppers, I'm either going to use them fresh or freeze them. So I think that's a pretty beautiful harvest. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye-bye, everybody.